how to transfer domains from Crazy Domains. So if you want to go ahead and transfer your domains to Crazy Domains, in this tutorial I'm going to go ahead and dive right into that, so let's get started. Okay, so what we need to go ahead and do first is to log on to your Crazy Domains account. So over on crazydomains.com, go ahead and proceed with tapping on login if you want to go ahead and just log into your account already. But if you haven't already, go ahead and just tap on sign up to create your account real quick. Once you're done with that, I want you to go on over to your Domains tab under your account manager and select the domain that you want to go ahead and transfer. Once you have already done that, I want you to proceed with clicking on the domain name to open its settings, and you will see the domain lock. If you can't see that on the top, just go ahead and scroll down to find it. And then basically what we need to go ahead and do on that is to switch it off in order for us to unlock the domain to transfer it. Once done, I want you to go on over and get your EPP or authentication code. Now, to find this, in the same domain settings area, look for transfer code or EPP code. Click on request code, and the code will be emailed to your registered email address. Once you're done with that, you can actually now start the transfer to the new registrar. Now I want you to go on over to your new registrar, for example, GoDaddy, Namecheap, or any other domain section that you have available to you that you want to go ahead and transfer that to. I want you to go ahead and start a domain transfer and enter your domain name. Once you're done with that, enter the EPP or authentication code when prompted and approve the transfer via the confirmation email. Now, completion of this typically takes within 5 to 7 business days, but essentially once you're done waiting with that, all your changes will be saved and you are done. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you guys in the next one, and take care.